Deep in the heart of Southeast Asia, there's a place where legends come to life. The jungle whispers ancient secrets. Towering temples reach for the sky. This is Angkor Wat. It is a magnificent temple complex and a powerful reminder of a lost empire. Angkor Wat is the largest religious monument in the world. People say it was built in just 30 years. Can you imagine that? It's incredible. The temple is dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu and is a masterpiece of Khmer architecture. But Angkor Wat is more than just a beautiful building. It is a symbol of the Khmer Empire's power and artistry. For centuries, it was a thriving center of religion and culture. Today, it stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the Cambodian people. The walls of Angkor Wat are adorned with intricate carvings and bas-reliefs, depicting scenes from Hindu mythology and the Khmer Empire's history. The central tower of Angkor Wat rises majestically, surrounded by four smaller towers symbolizing Mount Meru, the center of the universe in Hindu and Buddhist cosmology. A vast moat and an outer wall enclose the temple, representing the oceans and mountains that encircle the world. Over the years, extensive restoration efforts have been undertaken to preserve this architectural marvel for future generations. In 1992, Angkor Wat was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its global cultural significance. The temple continues to be a site of festivals and ceremonies, maintaining its spiritual and cultural relevance in modern times. Each year, millions of visitors from around the world come to marvel at its beauty and learn about its rich history. As the sun sets over Angkor Wat, it casts a golden glow, reminding us of the timeless allure of this ancient wonder. If you enjoyed this, make sure to click the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of this video to stay updated with our latest explorations. I can't wait to share more about this amazing place with you. Let's dive into our next chapter to learn more about Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat was built in the 12th century. It was part of the Great Khmer Empire. The Khmer Empire ruled over much of Southeast Asia for over 600 years. They were known for their powerful kings, advanced irrigation systems, and stunning architecture. Angkor, the capital city, was a bustling metropolis. It was a center of trade, religion, and scholarship. The Khmer kings were devout Hindus. They built many temples dedicated to different gods. Angkor Wat was the most ambitious of these projects. It was designed to be a representation of Mount Meru, the mythical home of the gods. The temple's grandeur reflects the wealth and power of the Khmer Empire. Can you imagine the bustling city that once surrounded this magnificent temple? The sights, the sounds, the energy of life in ancient Angkor. Today, we can only imagine the splendor of this lost civilization. One of the most notable rulers was Jayavarman VII, who expanded the empire to its greatest extent. He commissioned the construction of the Bayon Temple, known for its enigmatic smiling faces. Daily life in the Khmer Empire was vibrant, with bustling markets and a rich cultural tapestry. Artisans crafted intricate sculptures and bas-reliefs that adorned the temples. The construction techniques used were advanced for their time, involving precise stone cutting and intricate carvings. The Khmer Empire thrived during a period of relative stability in Southeast Asia, allowing for cultural and architectural advancements. Their advanced irrigation systems supported agriculture and sustained the large population. Religious ceremonies were a significant part of daily life, reflecting the deep spiritual beliefs of the people. Angkor Wat remains a testament to the ingenuity and devotion of the Khmer civilization. The legacy of the Khmer Empire continues to captivate and inspire us today. There are many stories about Angkor Wat. Some say it was built by a divine architect in a single night. Others believe it hides a secret city beneath its walls. These legends add to Angkor's mystique, but the truth is just as fascinating. One of the biggest myths is that Angkor Wat was lost and forgotten. This isn't true. While it's true that the jungle reclaimed the temple for a time, local people always knew about Angkor Wat. They continued to worship there. They kept its spirit alive. Preserving Angkor Wat is an ongoing challenge. The elements, tourism, and even the surrounding vegetation pose threats. But archaeologists and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect this treasure. They are ensuring that future generations can experience the wonder of Angkor Wat. Another myth suggests that Angkor Wat was built by giants or gods, as mentioned in ancient texts. Some believe its construction aligns with celestial events, adding to its divine origin story. Historical records, however, attribute its construction to King Suryavarman II in the early 12th century. The temple's architectural marvel is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the Khmer Empire. Today, these myths and misconceptions continue to captivate and inspire visitors from around the world. They contribute to the cultural heritage and mystique of Angkor Wat. Modern technology is being used to preserve the temple, including 3D scanning and digital archiving. International collaboration is crucial in these preservation efforts. Educational programs are also being developed to raise awareness about the importance of preserving this historical site. Ensuring that future generations can experience the wonder of Angkor Wat is a shared responsibility. The enduring legacy of Angkor Wat continues to inspire awe and wonder, bridging the past and the present. A walk through heaven exploring Angkor Wat. Stepping into Angkor Wat is like entering another world. You're surrounded by towering structures, intricate carvings, and serene reflecting pools. The atmosphere is magical. Take a moment to appreciate the scale of it all. The temple complex covers over 400 acres. That's bigger than 300 football fields. As you walk through the temple, notice the intricate carvings that adorn every surface. Delicate apsaras, celestial dancers, seem to float across the walls. Scenes from Hindu mythology come to life in stone. These carvings are a testament to the skill of the Khmer artists. Be sure to visit the central tower. It represents Mount Meru, the center of the Hindu universe. From here, you can enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding complex. As you explore Angkor Wat, you'll feel a sense of peace and tranquility. It's a truly spiritual place. Angkor Wat was constructed in the early 12th century by King Suryavarman II. The temple was built using sandstone blocks, transported from quarries over 50 kilometers away. The architectural techniques used include intricate bas-relief carvings that tell stories of ancient battles and religious epics. One of the most famous carvings is the churning of the ocean of milk, depicting a Hindu creation myth. Angkor Wat is not just a temple, it's a symbol of the Khmer Empire's cultural and religious significance. Today, it stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting millions of visitors from around the world. Preservation efforts continue to maintain its grandeur for future generations. Take a closer look at the carvings, and you'll see the incredible detail and craftsmanship. The apsaras with their graceful poses are a highlight of the temple's artistic achievements. Angkor Wat's historical and cultural significance cannot be overstated. As you leave, you'll carry with you a sense of awe and reverence for this ancient wonder. Unraveling the past, a moment of truth. For centuries, scholars debated the meaning of Angkor Wat's inscriptions. They held clues to the temple's history, but deciphering them was a challenge. Then, a breakthrough came. In the early 20th century, French archaeologists made a crucial discovery. They found a series of inscriptions that chronicled the reign of Suryavarman II, the king who built Angkor Wat. The inscriptions revealed that the temple was not just a religious monument. It was also a giant funerary temple for the king. This discovery changed our understanding of Angkor Wat. It wasn't just a temple to Vishnu. It was also a place where Suryavarman II could be honored in death. Imagine the excitement of the archaeologists when they made this discovery. It's a reminder that there's still so much to learn about Angkor Wat. The inscriptions were meticulously detailed, providing insights into the daily life, religious practices, and political events of the time. Archaeologists spent years carefully examining these texts, piecing together the historical context. The reign of Suryavarman II was marked by significant architectural and cultural achievements, as reflected in the inscriptions. These discoveries had a profound impact on our understanding of the Khmer Empire and its legacy. Angkor Wat's dual purpose as both a religious and funerary monument highlighted the complex nature of Khmer spirituality. Today, visitors to Angkor Wat can appreciate the depth of its history, thanks to these groundbreaking discoveries. Ongoing research continues to uncover new aspects of this ancient wonder, ensuring that the mysteries of Angkor Wat will keep unfolding for generations to come. Angkor Wat, a legacy in stone. Angkor Wat is more than just a pile of old stones. It's a living testament to human ingenuity, faith, and artistry. It's a place where the past and present meet. As you stand in the shadow of its towers, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. The temple's design is a marvel of engineering. It's perfectly aligned with the cardinal directions, and it features advanced hydraulic systems that still function today. It's no wonder that Angkor Wat is considered one of the greatest architectural achievements in human history. For the Cambodian people, Angkor Wat is a source of immense pride. It's a symbol of their rich history and cultural heritage. It reminds them of the power and sophistication of their ancestors. The bas-reliefs on the temple walls depict significant historical events and mythological tales. The intricate stone carvings were crafted by skilled artisans using techniques passed down through generations. Scholars have studied ancient texts to understand the temple's construction and its role in the Khmer Empire. Angkor Wat's design also takes into account the seasonal changes, showcasing the Khmer's advanced understanding of their environment. Today, Angkor Wat continues to be a focal point for cultural events and celebrations. Visitors from around the world come to learn about its historical and cultural significance. Ongoing restoration efforts ensure that Angkor Wat remains a testament to human achievement for future generations. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Angkor Wat stands as a monument to the enduring legacy of the Khmer civilization. As the sun rises over Angkor Wat, it illuminates not just a temple, but a legacy carved in stone. A journey awaits. Angkor Wat is calling. It's a place of wonder, mystery, and beauty. Angkor Wat, located in Cambodia, is the largest religious monument in the world, originally constructed as a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Vishnu. Built in the early 12th century by King Suryavarman II, it later transformed into a Buddhist temple, reflecting the region's evolving religious landscape. The temple is renowned for its intricate bas-reliefs and extensive carvings that depict various Hindu epics and deities. Its architectural grandeur is a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the Khmer Empire. It's a must-see for anyone who loves history, culture, or simply being amazed by the world around them. I encourage you to add Angkor Wat to your travel list. Imagine yourself walking through those ancient corridors, feeling the weight of history all around you. Picture the sunrise over Angkor Wat, its golden light bathing the temple in a warm glow. It's an experience you won't soon forget. But Angkor Wat is more than just a tourist destination. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. By supporting conservation efforts and visiting responsibly, we can help ensure that this treasure remains for generations to come. Start planning your journey today. Angkor Wat awaits. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. The bas-reliefs of Angkor Wat are not just decorative. They tell stories of Hindu mythology, battles, and celestial beings. The construction techniques used were advanced for their time, involving precise stone cutting and intricate detailing. Historical records suggest that thousands of laborers and artisans worked tirelessly to bring this monumental vision to life. Today, Angkor Wat stands as a symbol of Cambodia's rich cultural heritage and national pride. It plays a crucial role in the local community, not just as a tourist attraction, but as a site of cultural and spiritual significance. Educational tours and programs help visitors understand the historical and cultural context of this magnificent site. Ongoing conservation efforts are vital to protect Angkor Wat from the ravages of time and environmental factors. By preserving Angkor Wat, we ensure that future generations can also marvel at its beauty and significance. Angkor Wat is not just a journey into the past, it's a journey into the heart of human creativity and resilience. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.